I'm David Cox from Camera Dynamics, part of the Vitek group representing the Sockler, Vinton, O'Connor, and Petrol lines. Here we have some of our products demonstrated at the show. The new Sockler FSB fluid head line has the FSB4, the FSB6, which you see here, and the FSB8. Between all three products, we can handle between capacities of 8 to 20 pounds, all with incremental true fluid drag in anywhere from 3 to 5 settings, anywhere from 5 to 10 settings for counterbalance, and a variety of different plates, the side load, or the more familiar touch and go plate, which you've seen on some of the larger heads over the years. We also have refinement, the latest refinement on the Vision AS. The Vision line is, there is a Vision 3, there's a Vision 5, there's a Vision 8, there's a Vision 10 AS, all of them. All brand new, all infinitely adjustable as opposed to the Sockler's incremental designs, and what they call the perfect balance system. And some commonality, we now have a side load system for the mounting, which enables us to move further back, further forward. So there's the Vision line. Of course, the Vision line includes some light-duty pedestals. Then there's the Vector line and the pedestal lines from Vinton, which of course really not much applicability here. Most of the cameras here are very small, so we haven't displayed them today. But they are the premier choice for studio pedestals. The larger fluid heads are not as big a sellers as they used to be, but they are still the premier fluid heads for ENG and EFP type work, especially the Video 15 and the Hot Pod combination, which for news operations, especially for press conferences, has no equal. Still available, still doing well. Finally, we have something new from Sockler, for small camcorders. We call it Zoom. Spelled S-O-O-M still, we call it Zoom. It is intended for the same kinds of applications with small camcorders that the Hot Pod had been intended for 20 years ago. The advantages of something like this is that this column can be used as a monopod, the mid-level spreader can be used as a baby tripod, and the tripod can be used by itself. But it is a one-step, do-all fluid head and tripod system for anything under a 16-pound load. That's basically what we're showing today. You also were having a raffle for a couple of Petrol bags. These are some of the older models. We will be introducing the Deca, an all-black bag line that has LED lights in the inside, to enable you to work in dimmer light and be able to find what's in the bag. We thought, considering how little power an LED draws, it would be a nice addition to the bags, and it is already working out that way as of NAB.